Hello everybody. In this video I'd like to show you how easy it is to create a personalized website which you can create for yourself to find new customers. Everything is described on the website Purlplugin.com. Alright, about the website. The example site that you can order is like this. I will show it to you. The page is personalized, so this is your domain and this is behind the website as a URL in which the name of the company or the person combined with a PIN code is. You can send that in the mail, or you can send it on a card in post mail. The conversions are extreme high. Alright, so when people visit their website, let's go back to Purlplugin. This is the example website. So you can load the personalized data in the website. You can create a complete design of yourself. When you buy the website, you get Elementor Pro with it, so you can design it completely the way you want. So when people visit their website and they fill in their information, so you're collecting information from your future customers, and they send the request, you receive the information, and in this case you can call the person to make an appointment. Okay, so how easy is it to create this website? First you go to the ordering page and you can select the template and add a site title. A site URL. This will be replaced with the domain you want. In this page I ask for information like the VAT number, so we need that to send an invoice. Please fill that in. Okay, you can type username, email address, password, and when you add create, it will lead you to the payment page. So when the website is created, I have to do a few things. I have to activate the license for Elementor, and you will receive an email in which I ask you what format you like to use in your website. The formats are described on Purlplugin, so it's a combination between your domain first name, last name, or extended with a PIN code, company name or company name and PIN code, or domain and only a PIN code. These settings can only be made by the super admin, so that's me. So you don't see in your menu later these Purl settings, but in these settings I will set the format for the Perl you want, and I have to connect it to a Perl form. So that's the main thing for the settings. So when the website is created, you will see something like this. So what do we have here? The website is created, Elementor is connected, Elementor Pro, Formidable is connected. The Perl settings are shown here only when you buy the license and install it yourself. In this case, it's active. It's a WordPress dashboard, so it must be familiar when you use WordPress. Otherwise, I can show you what to do. Okay, the forms that are here. This is the main form that is used by Purlplugin. So when you go to Edit and Entries, Purlplugin is based on Formidable forms. So that is what I show you now. When I add a new entry, the system creates a new Perl. So when you open that in a new browser, you see this is for Willem, and the information of Willem, so you can show this URL to Willem. The way to do that is, of course, in a mail program, or you can send it by mail. What you can do, import a complete CSV, and the system will create unique URLs, personal URLs. When that is created, the system is on sharp, and when you export the CSV for the Pro form and you export it, let's have a look. It's open now. Okay. You will receive a CSV file with all the information in it. So it's the Perl, first name, last name, company name, well, everything you add there. So this CSV can be used to send direct mail, for example. Based on this personal URL, you can create a QR code and print it. Okay, so that's the basis. In the forms is the Perl form. Pages, all pages, is a page that's called Perl form. You can view it. You see there's no personalized information because it's not filled with personal information. When you edit this page, you can completely edit the site as you want. If you want, you can edit the header, add some images. Okay, so you can completely make it the way you want. Okay, let's go back. So, the basis of the system is Formidable. It's the Pro version. In the plugins section you find the Perl. That's automatically updated when we create a new version. About the pages you can edit the templates base of Elementor. In Theme Builder there's a footer, header, and you can edit them. About the standard theme, I loaded Hello from Elementor, so that's a fast theme. It has no extras, so it's just fast. I inserted a caching system, so if you change some things in the site and you clear the cache, you know that your changes have made effect at that moment. So that's it about creating the personalized website. I hope you like this video and you decide to create your own personalized website. If you have any questions, please email me. I like to talk to you and help you with the plans you have. Alright, thank you very much.